In this video, I'll show you the exact features I use to get more screen time without sacrificing performance, and make sure you stay until the end because one setting alone could save you up to an extra hour every day. Before changing anything, let's find out what's draining your battery. Open Settings, tab Battery, then select tab View Details. This will open battery activity screen. This page reveals which apps are consuming the most power in the last 24 hours. You might be surprised to see social media apps, navigation apps, or games quietly draining your battery in the background. Think of this screen as your battery detective. Once you know the culprit, fixing the problem becomes easy. Let's start with the easiest wins. First, switch to dark mode. Go to Settings, tap Display, tap Dark Mode. If your Galaxy has an AMOLED display, dark pixels use less power. Next, reduce your screen timeout to 30 seconds. Head to Settings, tap Display, tap Screen Timeout. And instead of using maximum brightness all day, enable adaptive brightness so your phone adjusts automatically. These three changes take less than a minute but can dramatically improve battery life. Here's a hidden One UI 8.5 feature many users ignore. Go to Settings, tap Battery, tap Background Usage Limits. You'll see options for sleeping apps, deep sleeping apps, and never auto sleeping apps. Add rarely used apps to deep sleeping apps. This prevents them from running in the background and stealing battery life. Just avoid adding messaging apps or anything you need instant notifications from. Your phone becomes smarter and your battery lasts longer. One UI 8.5 includes built-in battery tools that most people never touch. Turn on power saving and adaptive power saving. Your Galaxy learns your routine and automatically saves power when needed. Next, switch your performance profile to light. Go to Settings, tap Device Care, tap Performance Profile, now select Light. Don't worry, your phone will still feel fast, but it uses less power for everyday tasks. For most users, this is the perfect balance between speed and battery life. Now, let's stop your phone from wasting energy behind the scenes. Turn off nearby device scanning. Go to Settings, tap Connections, tap More Connection Settings and turn off nearby device scanning. Next, disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning if you don't use them. Go to Settings, tap Location Services. Now turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Battery life isn't just about today, it's about keeping your phone healthy for years. Open Settings, tap Battery Protection. Enable maximum mode and change slider to 80% or 85%. This prevents unnecessary charging stress and helps reduce battery wear over time. Also avoid leaving your phone in hot cars or under direct sunlight. Heat is the #1 enemy of lithium batteries. Try these One UI 8.5 settings today and let me know how much extra battery life you gain. Comment below with your Galaxy model and your average screen on time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to LifeFacts, Hacks, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next hack.